Telegram verification code problem fixed. First, open your Play Store app and install the latest version of the Telegram app. Wait a few seconds. Open the Telegram app. Allow all required permissions. Type your phone number and click Continue. Problem is, you can't receive any code on your phone. How to fix this? Go to the Play Store and install any VPN. Open the VPN and select a USA or different location. Open the Telegram app. Type your phone number and click Continue. Wait a few seconds.